Google Nano Banana Pro has been released and it has gone beyond the limits of AI image editors. But the problem is where to use it for free, because in Google Gemini, it has some limitations like poor image quality, 3 to 4 generations per day, and image watermark. Many creators are giving you the paid option for 4K quality, but in this video, I will show you where to access Nano Banana Pro free in 4K quality. So, let's begin the video. So to use the Nano Banana Pro for free in 4K quality, I have found the 4 different websites. Here is the disclaimer. Make sure you stick around till the end because maybe the first website doesn't work for you when you are watching this video, but the next ones might. So watch all the options and see which one works best. So the first website we are using is loveart.ai. Just search it on Google and open the first link. First, create your account using Google or Apple account. Now go to the left side and click on Project. Create a new project, and on the left panel, you'll see multiple options to start working with. From here, click on the plus icon, and here you have multiple options, like upload an image, upload a video, and the image generator, and many more. We are just using the image generator. Click on the image generator. This will open the canvas in front of you. And here we have the multiple image models, but we are using only Nano Banana Pro. Then after we have the option for uploading any reference photo. And from here, we can select the resolution to 4K. And you can also change the aspect ratio. Let's try to generate the image, and I give a simple prompt. A young woman sitting cross-legged on a sandy beach at golden hour, smiling as she ties up her hair. She wears a white t-shirt and light jeans. A small dog sits in the foreground watching her. Ocean waves roll in behind her with a clear blue sky and warm sunlight casting long shadows. They will give you 100 daily free credits from where you can easily do 2 to 3 generations from a single account. Hit the generate, and that gives me this result. Look at the realism in this image. If we zoom in, the details are very sharp. The background of this image feels very natural. And if I compare it with the Gemini output, there's a big difference in quality. Also, I don't see any watermark here. So if I download this, you will see the image size is 10 megabytes, which means it generates in 4K quality. Again, I use this image as a reference and do image editing on it. I give the prompt to change the background to a meadow and hit generate. See what output it gives. Again, it did a pretty good job. It perfectly places the dog and women in a green meadow. You can adjust the canvas size according to your own preferences. So hurry up and go to LoveArt AI to generate your 4K quality Nano Banana Pro images. The second way to access Nano Banana Pro free is on ellamarina.ai. Here, Nano Banana is completely free. First, create your account by clicking the login button. On the left side, you will see the battle option. Click on that and select the third option, direct chat from here. After that, click on the image icon, and there are different AI image model you see which you can use unlimitedly. We are selecting only Nano Banana Pro, which is Nano Banana 2. Enter your prompt here. I'm typing Einstein and the Joker playing chess on a table, Einstein holding a cigarette realistic. After typing the prompt, make sure to add the aspect ratio at the end. Since the option isn't shown here, then hit generate. All right, it generates output. And this looks so funny. Seriously, Einstein chilling with a cigarette while the Joker plays chess like it's the world championship is just too good. The third website you can use to try Nano Banana for free is midi.ai. They give you 100 free credits and even support 4K image generation. Just look at the quality of the results. It's really impressive. So definitely keep this website in mind as another solid option. The last website we can use to access Nano Banana Pro in 4K quality is Dreamina by CapCut. Just click on the create button and you'll see that they also offer Nano Banana Pro with 4K quality. These are some results I generated. And as you can see, the quality is really high. But there is one issue after 3 generations. The Dreamina watermark starts appearing. So this is how you can use Nano Banana Pro in 4K for free. It's not a trick, just a method I found that works right now. I'm not sure how long this will stay free, so use it while you can. That's all from me today. If you enjoyed my video, hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.